Hello, in this video I will show you how to work on command sentence recording task. First, install the app. I will share you the app and its download link. After installing the app, open it to work with that login and password. Now I will use mine. Now use the given login username and password and login to the app. After login, you will see the app homepage like this. Here, the command sentence recording task for Pakistan, this one for Thailand, and this one for India. Now, those who is working for this selected country, just select your country project. I will show you the process with this one. I will click this start button. After clicking the project start button, you will show this page where you will need to fill this information. First, it says the city name. Please select the appropriate city in which you are in. Then select the gender, male and female, and then select your age. Here you see the range selected given, so just select the range in which you are in. Now go to next page. Now as you can see, the sentence is written above at the top, and here is the recorder icon, and here in the bracket you will see that a command or an instruction given that you need to read this sentence with normal speed. Now we about normal speed, you need to read it separately and clearly. Let's see how the normal speed is. Just click this recorder button. Hello, higher. This is the normal speed. You need to read it separately and clearly so that both words can be heard clearly. Next page. Do the same. Hello, higher. Here I would like to add an instruction, which is when you click the recorder button to start recording, please wait minimum 1 second. Then read the sentence. After reading, please wait another 1 second, then click stop button so that your reading won't be cut from start or from the end. Now let's go to next pages. Here you will see total 4 sentence. First one is hello hire. You will need to read this first sentence 10 times, 5 times normal speed and 5 times fast speed. You see 10 times hello hire, and then next sentence will be 2 times normal speed and 3 times fast speed. So last 3 sentence will be 15 pages and first sentence will be 10 pages. So let's see how you can read the first speed. Here the first speed starts hello higher first speed. So let's record it first speed. Hello higher, just like this. Just read it little faster and make sure the words are heard clearly. So this is the first speed. Let's go do it again. Hello higher. I will check this one. Yeah, it's look good. Okay, so after recording all these sentences, second sentence hey yo, then 18, third sentence is hi Maya, and the fourth sentence is hi sky. So these are the four sentences. After recording all sentence, just click at the 25th page, just click this submit button, then your recording will be uploaded to our website. Now you will be redirected to the home page of this project. Here you will get back to this page. Now to see your submission, you can go to this page, click this button my task. You will see all your submission here in this page. Those who will do multiple submission with some other friends or peoples, you will see all your submission here and to be reviewed, which are yet to check, and which are refused, which are passed. You will see here all of them. Now when on session is refused or some pages audios were incorrect, you will need to redo. So you will simply come to this refuse page and you will find the refused session. We will send the report to you with the session number and the person who recorded that person's name. So session number and that person's name will send the report like this, and you just log in again to the app and use that name and session number, and you will have to revise them. So that submission will be passed again. So this is the process. If you have any questions or any other problems, please feel free to contact me where we are connected. So that's all for now. Thank you.